Hello friends. Today we're located at the First Christian Church in Ocala, Florida for the Silver Springs Ham Radio Festival. It's December 7th, 2024. It's a temperature of about 37 degrees and warming. And we're going to take a walk around, see what kind of deals we find here at the Hamfest. This Hamfest is outdoors and also indoors. So we'll go ahead and start on the outdoor section. Thanks for joining me on this adventure today.
That's a dual cord, so that one will handle 200 watts and 100 CW. I have the single ones that will handle 100 watts to 40. And cord and fed, no counterforce necessary. I run mine vertical. I live in an HOA, so I have to have a.
Junk I bought today. Up. It's a 50 amp power combined. Yes.
I think 5 volts.
Yeah. That's to do all your data and stuff.
I was gonna, these are all Raspberry Pi based, but I was gonna put a little digital radio in there, you know, for kind of like the old Verisat.
Yeah, I just started playing. I've waited a long time.
I guess that's the way to do it. If you can't take it home with you, just take a picture of it.
Yeah, when you go from
I'm still debating on what if I want to sell it or just. Eventually, if I keep it long enough, I'll probably mess with it some more.
And
It's a BTI. What's it?
400-pound plus motorcycle. You know, now I've got a KTM.
Goldwing was 900 pounds.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of fun.
So I sold that. I
One of these young bands.
I mean, it's an amazing program what it can pull out of the noise.
I did a conversion on this one. 60 bought that one. 60. Okay.
Maybe there, I don't know. But let's see. It's just trying to see what the heck the spec is on it. What are you asking for it?
It's a steal. Well, they're good radios. I know that.
Entertain a reasonable offer.
Every time you go to turn the volume control, you hit the main tune knob. You know why? Because this is always empathy by a smaller hand. Okay, so
Get it up about 4 inches.
I called Tom at Yesu and I told he goes, yeah, Dave, we know about that. He goes, we fixed it on the 10. Now when you see the FTDX10, they increased the distance between the main tuning knob and the volume control. I got 500 hours in there.
No, he wanted to look at the van anyway.
my train of thought.
I don't blame you.
Am I on YouTube?
Don't I have to sign a release?
I've been
The full file.
Yeah.
I've been telling people 5. You want to make a deal for all of them? I'll include the second but this where people can see it.
I make the controls. Well, the thing is you don't really get an SWR. The SWR doesn't really change. Particularly, what changes is the magnetic resonance of the antennas. How do you know when it's changing? Well, that's the funny part.
I don't like them because it's nice user friendly.
Yes, sir.
You have to fight to get through the menus, and that's the way.
How many bucks? How many bucks for corporate? I mean,
Anything else? All right.
Did a nice job on that.
It's different. You live in the city. It's different. You live in the city. You don't have to drive 7 miles.
We only have 200.
I know. Within 7 miles.
I was telling Carl, you could theoretically use one of this machine instead for the VGA one. It does have VGA on the back.
But listen, the kids do. Yeah. Yeah. You got manual antennas too, or no? I gotta take a walk outside and see. I do have some somewhere. I'll find them. I mean.
Well, you know, for people that work. All right, see you later.
Yeah.
Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to have a drawing here momentarily. Please make sure that your tickets are in the appropriate squirrel cage. The red ones go in the cage on the right.
That's simple.